The 2026 Chevy Impala SS arrives as one of the most exciting returns in modern American automotive history, reviving a legendary nameplate with fresh performance, bold styling, and advanced technology. This new generation Impala SS stands out from its competitors because it blends muscle car attitude with luxury sit-in refinement, delivering the perfect balance of power, comfort, and futuristic engineering. For car lovers and YouTube audiences, the 2026 Impala SS is the kind of car that sparks a stylish and unmistakably American dot from the outside. The 2026 Chevy Impala SS commands attention with a long, aggressive body profile sculpted for modern aerodynamics. Its bold front fascia features a wide blacked-out grille, functional air intakes, and a muscular hood with deep contour lines that hint at the power underneath. The sleek side profile showcases a stretched roofline, sharp character lines, and a slightly lowered stance for stability and athletic presence. LED matrix headlights, LED daytime running lights, and 3D-style LED taillights give the car a futuristic visual identity. It rides on 19-inch or 20-inch performance alloy wheels, depending on the trim, wrapped in high-grip tires designed to enhance handling at high speeds. Color options include classic black, metallic, arctic white, cherry red tint coat, deep ocean blue, and a new SS exclusive, satin steel gray with black accents. Premium elements such as gloss black mirror caps, quad exhaust tips, subtle SS badges, and an optional aerodynamic package make the Impala SS feel both luxurious and performance-ready. Step inside, and the 2026 Impala SS reveals a cabin built for comfort and technology. The interior features premium leather sports seats with contrast stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and customizable ambient lighting that gives the car a high-end feel. Space is generous thanks to the sedan's long wheelbase, ensuring comfortable legroom for all 5 passengers. The infotainment system includes a 14.5-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, advanced voice commands, over-the-air updates, and a 12-inch digital instrument cluster. Material quality is improved with soft-touch surfaces, brushed aluminum trims, and optional carbon fiber inserts. The dual-zone climate control, panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seats, and a 12-speaker Bose premium audio system add to the comfort level and luxury appeal. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevy Impala SS packs serious performance. The base engine is a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, generating around 400 horsepower and 540 newton-meters of torque, delivering brisk acceleration and a responsive throttle. For true performance lovers, the SS Performance variant offers a 6.2-liter V8, producing up to 500 horsepower and 650 newton-meters of torque, pushing the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 4.2 seconds. Power is delivered through a 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, tuned for smooth, yet aggressive shifts. Handling is enhanced with a sport-tuned suspension, adaptive dampers, rear-wheel drive, and an optional all-wheel drive setup for improved traction. Fuel efficiency varies by engine, but stays competitive for its class, thanks to cylinder deactivation and smart engine management systems. Overall, the driving experience is a blend of smooth cruising and explosive power, making the Impala SS equally suitable for daily commutes and spirited drives. Advanced technology plays a major role, with features such as 5G connectivity, real-time navigation, remote start, wireless charging, and a full suite of smart driver assistance tools. Safety systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance braking, parking sensors, and a high-definition 360-degree camera. The car is equipped with multiple airbags, ABS with electronic brake force distribution, a reinforced body structure,